Hi everyone, we're trying to make tri-tip today. It's a very popular cut in places like California. I think it originates here. What we're going to use is very basic seasoning, which I believe is also called the Santa Maria, which is really your salt and pepper, and then a little bit of garlic. We're going to cook it as we're going to go high heat in the grill, a very basic grill, and then we're going to let it cook for a little bit longer, around 40-45 minutes, all together with the sear. To begin with the sear and then slow cook. Ideally, we're looking for about 135°F of internal temperature. The way how it would cook is some parts would be, like it's basically gonna go like well done to rare, right? So it's gonna be like a chart.